Hey, what's up guys, your boy Sandy here, back with another video guys. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit something different today. A lot of you guys have been requesting to see how exactly do I get my green screen on and also stream to multiple platforms. Well, today I'll be showing you guys that in the new OBS 2.21.1, and also it applies the same thing for the Streamlabs OBS. Coming right up guys, let's go. Alright guys, welcome back, and as I said before guys, we're gonna have to first of all, what we're gonna have to first do is get the obsproject.com. I'm pretty sure most of you guys already know this. Like I said, I'll make it pretty quick. What you want to do is go ahead and download the Windows version of the OBS or whatever version that you have on your computer, whether that's Mac or Linux. I haven't done a Linux that much. I messed with the Mac a little bit, but if you guys want those, let me know down in the comments below and I'll definitely get back to you. And also man, if you guys are more or less streamers, look like what more or less I am, you guys definitely, I would recommend Streamlabs.com, only because guys, it is absolutely great when it comes to brand new streamers and the streaming and helping you out with your CPU. Okay, just like the open broadcast, which I'm using right now, it's the open broadcast is a little bit harder on your computer. It works great, don't get me wrong, if you have a bully of a PC, but if you don't, definitely try Streamlabs OBS guys, strictly for streaming, and yeah, it'll do great for you guys. But if you guys don't know, they both work the same way. Streamlabs actually uses OBS project, the actual software, but they just do a little twerk, like a little twink to it, you know what I mean? So yeah, so back to what we're going to do before. Okay, so with that being said, as you guys can see, we're already back up in the OBS 21.1.0, and again, I'll make this pretty quick. I'm not gonna be like, oh, you know, this so so, but yeah, let me get this up a little bit. And as you guys can see, I have my background, my green screen in the background. Also guys, another key thing that you guys are gonna have is a light. It is required, man. Unless you have a strong light inside your room or whatever you're at, those are the two most basic requirements. Of course, your camera for your green screen has to work, and actually your light. I'll put them down in the description below, what I use in particular, and you guys can go from there. Or if you guys see something better, definitely let me know what you guys think. So yeah, so I want to bring this back down guys. And all right, so first guys, what we're going to do guys is going to go to our Logitech camera, and if you don't know how to do that or know how to bring it up first, what you're going to do is you want to go to your plus sign here, and you want to go to your video capture device, and as you guys can see here, you're gonna want to make sure you name it. As you guys can see, I already have my Logitech camera, but for purposes, I'll just push OK. And when it comes up, you're gonna have multiple, well actually at the time, whatever you have plugged in, that's the only thing that's gonna come up. I have two Elgato's. I have the HD60 Pro and the capture card. This is also what you're gonna use if you want to use a capture card for your device, such as your PS4 or Xbox or whatever. For your PC, you really don't have to have one, but you know, it's really good. So if you do have a capture card or if you want to put it on there, but anyway, we're going to focus on this. So you're going to put your Logitech or whatever camera you have. As again, I have the C920, really great camera, and you're going to push that and you're going to just push OK. Of course I already have mine, so I'm going to push cancel. You guys are going to push OK. And so once you get this up, what you're going to want to do next is actually go to your video capture device, right click it, and you're gonna want to go to your filters. So I'm gonna put it on here, filters, as you see. Hey, what's up? And I already have mine actually already up and running, but again, for the purposes, I want to make sure you guys know exactly what to do. You're gonna push this button right here, this plus button right here, and what you're gonna go is go to chroma key. Okay, and of course mine's already up. So once you push that, you're gonna come up to the screen here. Since mine is a little bit off green, it's not your traditional like bright green, it's actually like a darker green. I had to go to my custom and actually do it. What I would try first guys, just try it If you don't, again, you don't have to have a green screen. It could be a blue screen. It could be any type of screen, long as it's a solid color. I would recommend getting a blue or green screen though, just for purposes of if you have a white wall or something behind you, you just don't want to mess it up. So try your green out first. If it doesn't work, what you want to do is go to your custom. You want to go to your custom. You want to select your color, and I want to actually turn mine on right quick. As you guys see, mine's work perfectly. As you move this here, so I know mine's is here. I'm gonna just copy this right quick. So I'm gonna go back. But if you move it here, it's gonna change. As you guys can see, it acts a little bit different. So what you want to do is you want to go find your color. This actually took me a while, and I know it sucks to say, oh, what, and that's why you just hope that when you press the green one, it automatically catches it. But if it doesn't, you're gonna have to go in and try to kind of like put it in somewhere or try to find it. And as you move it, it'll change. So as I go upper, you just see I'm a little bit better. So I already have my number here, so I'm gonna just put it here, back here, and there you go. And so the similarity is kind of like if you decide that one day you don't want to have a green screen at the back, or you just want to show your green screen, your similarity can just pull all the way down to a 1. But as you go a little bit higher, your green screen starts to disappear a little bit more. And you put some black, and there you go. And your smoothness kind of helps you out, the smooth of the actual video. You want to look like a ghost, I mean, you can't like boo. No, but as you push it back, as you guys can see, I become more and more clear, and there you go. You don't want to do too much because you guys probably see on top of my hair I have a little bit of green streaks. So I put a little bit more. There you go. Oh yeah, so that's how you do your green screen. As you can see them in the background. Hey. And I said, if I had a system on or anything right now, it would show up right now and be in the background. So it works the same way. If you guys want me to show you guys how to put your how to do your capture card as well on your actual gaming system through your Elgato, just let me know down in the comments, and I would do one for you guys as well. Again, another thing I want to show you guys kinda was also the Restream, which is a platform that streams to multiple platforms. So I'm gonna move this to the side. Hey, as you guys see, works perfectly. Hey. So I'm gonna boost it up a little bit. And so this is what you call, I'm gonna go to the dashboard, Restream.io, guys. It is one of my favorite things in the world, and mine's already came up. And what they want to gonna do first is I'm gonna go ahead and just log out right quick for you guys. My stuff is already up. So what it does is that it's to stream to 30 or more platforms simultaneously for free. That's the keyword. It's for free, guys. It's not like, you got to pay for this thing. I think let me reiterate it. The only thing you have to pay for if you want to do like Facebook or something like that. But if it's like a major platform like YouTube, Twitch, or Mixer, any of those things, with ease for free, guys. So I'm gonna just log in right quick, and my stuff is already oh no. Let's see. Oh, sorry about that. So yeah, just go ahead and log in right quick. And as you guys can see, the dashboard, I already have my Twitch, YouTube stream, and Mixer already up. And it gives you a stream key up here, which what you would want to do is, once you get this set up, once you get your Twitch, what you have to do is first you have to go on your Twitch. You have to authorize Restream to actually come up and authorize it to actually stream on it, basically. And so you'll have to authorize each one of these, and then from here, this screen by itself for the titles, you can actually put your titles in here. As you guys see, I just play underground background. But if I want to put hey, and I push update all, it's gonna update all of my system, guys. So that's also pretty cool. Also, it has the chat version where you actually go on a web chat. You can get the web chat link, And what you do from there is that you, instead of going off and having like multiple or try to go to each one, like, okay, who's talking to me or whatever, it actually boasts all of them in one platform, which is awesome for me, man. So if you have people on Mixer, Twitch, or YouTube, anybody on the other side, they're all gonna come in one chat. So that's also a great thing. But a quick version that I want to show you guys, what you have to do here is that you have to go to your file, your settings, and again, I'm pretty sure most of you guys already know this. Go to your stream and your service. You will go to Restream.io, and it's all in here as well. So Restream.io, you'll put your stream key in. You put your stream key that you have in your dashboard here, which is right here. And then it will stream to all platforms. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. If you guys liked it, definitely give it a thumbs up, and also think about hitting that sub button, man, and that notification button if you guys want to see more videos. I thank you guys so much for watching, man, and it's always your boy saying, guys, peace. Let me know how you guys like it. Peace. See you guys in the comments. See you guys later.